Hi guys, welcome to today's video, and we are still on the topic sets, but this time on a subtopic listing of subsets. Now when we say subsets, let's say when a set A is said to be a subset of set B, and what it means is that all elements in set A can be found in set B. So with this being a solution of questions video, we have our first question, which says list the subsets of set A, which is what having elements 5. So there are steps we need to follow. So the first thing is you need to know the number of elements of the set, and say n is equal to that. So over here we have only one element, therefore we say our n is equal to what? 1. Then we are going to do 2 raised to the power n, that is 2 raised to the power the number of elements, which is 1, and this is giving us what? 2. So therefore for this question there are only 2 subsets. And one thing we will say is that for every set, the null set is a subset. So the null set is a subset of every set. So listing the subset of the set A, we are going to have the null set and 5 itself. Now let's move to another question. This is list the subsets of B having elements 3, 4. So over here it has n equals 2, that is 2 elements. So we are going to do 2 raised to the power n, which is 2 raised to the power 2, and this is giving us 4. So therefore for this question we have 4 subsets. Now listing them, we are going to have our null sets. We are going to list them one after the other. Then we list them the 2, which is the set itself. So we have our subsets. Then we have the set for 3. We also have the set for 4 and the set itself. Let's move to another question. It says list the subsets of the set C having elements 6, 7, and 8. So over here we have 3 elements. So n is equal to 3. We are going to do 2 raised to the power n, which is 2 raised to the power 3, and this is giving us 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So over here too, we are going to have 8 subsets. Now this is how we list it. We are going to have the null set, of course. Then we list them one after the other, 6, 7, and 8. Then we are going to list them 2, 2. So we are going to list all the possible 2 sets. Then the set itself, that is the 3 elements, will come. So let's see how it is. So the null set, you have the set 6, you have the set 7, the set 8, then we have 2, 2, so we have 6, 7, then we can talk of 6, 8, we can talk of 7, then 8. Then we move to 3, which is the set itself. So we have 6, 7, and 8. Now let's have our last question for this video. We say list a subset of the set D having elements 4, 5, 6, 7. So of course we have n to be 4, that is it has 4 elements. So we have 2 to the power n, which is 2 to the power 4, and this is giving us 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, so that is 16. So therefore for this set D, it has 16 subsets. So just as we did for the 3 elements, we are going to do the null set, list each of them, list all possible 2 sets, list all possible 3, then we come to the set itself. So let's see how it is. We have our null set, we have the set 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7, that is for the ones. Let's go to 2. We have 4 and 5, we have 4 and 6, and it should be systematically so that it won't confuse you. We have 4 and 7, and we move to 5. Is a 5 and 6. Then we have 5 again and 7. Now let's move to 6. You have 6 and 7. So that is all for the 2 sets. Now let's move to 3. We have 4, 5 and 6. We can talk of 4, 6, 4, 5 and 7. Then we have 4, 6 and 7. Then we have 5, 6, 7, and lastly we have the set itself, which is 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's count and see if we have 16 elements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So we have 16 subsets in all. So you have to take your time and steadily make sure you follow the steps. If you mix it up yourself, you might get confused. So you just follow the steps just as we've illustrated over here, and listing of subsets won't be a problem. Can you try for 5 elements? You can try it and send it into email, or even send it to the comment section, and we'll be glad to see that. Okay, so see you in our next video. Say thanks for watching, and don't forget to please like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure you put on the notification so that when we put a video online or when we upload a video, you will get it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.